What's up, guys? Biker Dave here. My 2017 Dodge Durango RT. Make sure you see the playlist link that pops up of other things we've done to this car since I've owned it. You know, about 2.5 years now. Good overall vehicle, but it's definitely not perfect. It's needed some things replaced. You know, it's got 100,000 miles, but there's been quite a few expensive things that have been replaced since I've had it, and before I owned it, actually. Anyway, there's your hydraulic motor mounts. If you saw my previous video, if you see a very dark black oil drip underneath the front skid plate and you know it's not motor oil, it's probably coming from one of these motor mounts. Because see, this is like a bladder, and it starts to degrade, the rubber starts to degrade, and then the fluid just starts dripping out of it, and it's very black. You know, at first you think it's motor oil, but then once you touch it and feel it and smell it, you're going, wait a minute, that's not motor oil, and it's definitely not brake fluid. So that's what it is. It's coming from one of these bladders, and when you do one, you should do them both. You should also do the transmission mounts at the same time, because you might as well. And I have a mobile mechanic who comes to me wherever I am. You know, I've been working with the guy for over 5 years. They can do pretty much anything, so that's how I recommend you do something like this. If you know, I mean, because it's definitely not easy to do yourself, and taking it to a dealership would cost $1 zillion. So look for a mobile mechanic in your area. You can find them on Craigslist or Facebook. You know, just do some investigating, and you'll find a good mobile mechanic who can work on just about anything. And you know, they just save you a lot of time and money, because these guys came to my place of business and knocked it out in 3 hours. And so that's what I recommend, you know, when you're getting stuff done like this. Anyway, check out our videos. We got 2,000 videos, and there's a playlist link that'll pop up at the end for the Dodge Durango that I've had for a couple of years. Other things I've done to it will all be there. And look at the links that are in the description. Stuff I recommend, parts I recommend, tools I recommend is all in the description of the video. And check it out. Y'all have a great day. We shall see you all later.